Hi again. Today, you will learn how to select all clips at once, in your DaVinci Resolve timeline. Option 1, use the selection tool, select the arrow icon. Then drag a box around all the clips in your timeline. Everything inside that box will be highlighted. To deselect, simply click anywhere inside the timeline. Option 2, use the shortcut. Simply press Ctrl+A, on Windows. It's the fastest way, to grab everything at once. If you only want to select the clips on one track, here's how to do it. First, click on the first clip in that track to select it. Then, hold down the Shift key, and click on the last clip in the same track. All the clips between those 2 points will be selected together. You can also drag the selection tool across the clips, to select them. Using Select All saves time, and makes moving or editing multiple clips much easier.